Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Wandsworth council tax website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in wandsworth.gov.uk and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Wandsworth government website for the council tax. Now from the homepage, click on My Accounts at the top right corner and then within My Account, click on Login. Then click on the sign in button to enter within the login portal. You will then be allowed to enter your login credentials. Type in the email address that you have set while creating your account and then enter your account password within the password box. Then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account on the Wandsworth council tax website right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot your password button underneath the sign in box and you will be allowed to reset your credentials right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your council tax account website for Wandsworth. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.